I always watch these videos trying to see it from your point of view. Now, early in the year when we were talking about custom workspaces, I explained all about how to open up these panels so that you saw all of the options. But I started thinking, what if some of the people look at the Align panel and see this? Well, you notice what happened, right? Click on these little two arrows on this side in order to cycle through the different options. And depending upon which panel you have, those two arrows can do very different things. Okay, so you need to understand that when you save a workspace out, you want these panels opened up all the way so that you do see all the options. Got it? Because the Align panel, without the Align to option, what are you aligning to? The artboard, the selection, the key object? Without knowing that, the Align panel is kind of useless. Work smart. Okay? All right, I'll leave it there. I think that covers all the gotchas in these videos.